Create at Home, presented by the Public Library of Cincinnati in Hamilton County.
Hi, I'm Lauren, one of your teen librarians in the Public Library of Cincinnati and Hamilton County. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami fortune teller using only notebook paper, pens, and a pair of scissors. Your first step is taking your bottom left corner and bringing it up to meet at the top edge, making a triangle. You'll have excess paper on the side that we'll cut off with some scissors. Open the paper back up and turn it so it looks like a diamond shape in front of you. Now take the bottom corner and fold it up to meet the top point, getting it as even as possible, and press down in the center to fold it. Open it back up and turn it so that it looks like a square shape in front of you. Take your bottom corners and fold up to meet the top corners, again pressing down in the center to fold. Rotate the paper one more time so it looks like a square once again, and repeat the fold we just did. Now if you look at your paper, there should be 4 squares with 2 triangles in each. Now we will take each of the corners separately and fold them in so that they meet at the center. After you fold the corners in, there should be 4 triangular pieces that stick up. Flip the paper over to the flat side, and this is where we'll write the answer to our question, what library resource will I use today? Write a different answer in each of the triangular spaces with 8 options total. I've already filled mine out, and I wrote options on mine like share a short story on TeenSpace, watch a movie with Canopy, or watch TV with Hoopla. Once you fill all of it out, you take the corners and fold them up into the center of the page. After they're folded in, write the numbers 1 through 8 on each of the blank spaces. Now flip the square over and mark each square with a different color. If you don't have enough colors, you could also draw a different shape on each square. Now fold the paper in half on its natural fold line. You want to hold the paper so that the bottom has the fold line and the top opens up to the number flaps. Now work your fingers under the colored flaps and push the folds together. Now you have your fortune teller made, and we'll go over how to play. So from your color options you have, choose one and spell out its name. Here I chose red, R-E-D. Now select one number from your options. I will go with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now select a second number. I'll go with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And your final step is to choose the last number and open it up for your answer. I chose 5, so today I will review a book on TeenSpace. And it's as easy as that.